Today I ordered this in the mail and I'm going to put it together. This is the box it came into. I don't want to waste no time, but it had the styrofoam around here. And this is my solar panel. And this is the back of the solar panel. It all came about just like that. And this is what else it came with. The brackets to put it on with the roof and the bolts. This wire came with this wire. I don't even know what these are. Came with a fusible link and the controller, which looks pretty simple. And it came with the directions, which I did read already. And I made it where you could put it into the battery. If I can get there, there's the directions how that all goes. So I didn't figure out this part yet, but we're going to put this together dry first and see how it works. So the very first thing is they show where you have to have, or should put in, the fusible link. But when you get to the two ends, they don't have anywhere for that to go. So what I'm going to do is just put these together. And for now, just get a regular wire tie on it, like that. And then this one goes in here. And then I just tighten this up, that. That's good. And then we're going to have to do the other end like this. That goes in there. That comes from the solar panel itself. So that's in, and we got the fusible link. It looks like a 15. Now the other wires that go from the battery, that's the battery part, same wire. So this goes into, don't even show you. Positive of the battery goes here. So we're going to go here. So the positive of the battery will go in there. We'll tighten this down. And the negative will go in there, and we tighten this down. So that's, controller's all set to go, and this is the directions. So I got the battery. Let's just take a look at how good the battery is, and it's up to 12.4 volts. So we know that's good that way. This is my little cheap battery checker. I got 3 bars out of 4. That's pretty good. So I got this all hooked up temporary. I'm going to change this when I put it in a motorhome. But the first thing I'm going to do is I brought the solar panel down right here. And I'm going to hook this up first, like this. So that's hooked up. Then we're going to take the negative first. I wonder why people are cutting the grass right before Thanksgiving. Put the positive over here, and we'll look at our menu thing here. So it says 12.2 volts. Press that. 15 degrees Celsius. I guess it's getting 0.5 amps from the solar panel into the battery. Nothing's going out. 13.7 volts going in. 12.6 volts is the battery if I went out, I guess. I don't know what it all means yet, but as I go, I'll figure it out. So now, I can take this battery, and I can put it in from the inside, like that. Just like that. And now I know where my positive is, and I know where my negative is. Okay, put my controller outside. And I go here to the battery, and I know the red wire and the black wire on the way this guy rigged it is positive. That's going to go there, and I know the black from my controller and his black is negative. So I got that all hooked up. So I just took it up to the window temporary, but you could see in there, if you could see it, the left shows a little solar panel image saying it's going to the battery and out to the lights. Well, guess what? It's the end of April and I'm back, and I'm mounting these. I mounted those parts underneath, and now I'm drilling through here, and I'm gonna bolt these down. So that's what I'm doing. I'm drilling through there now. Drilling right through the roof. So I got my holes drilled right through. And I'm gonna put this right up in there and go up there and check it out. So we got our screw through here. I'm gonna put some silicone on there. Get a washer. Silicone on there, like that. A little more on there. Put my bolt all the way down. Tighten her up pretty good. Okay, now do some of this. A little more silicone around it. I'm gonna put a washer on top of that like that. That won't hurt nothing. Solar panel. Gonna go right over the top of that. Like that. And that's pretty much it. I'll just put a little more silicone on there like that, and then I'll screw it down. This way, if I want to take it off, I just take that bolt off, and that's all done. I might cut these off to make them a little shorter. That's it. I got it bolted in. I'm gonna cut them off. They're secure on the four sides, and I'm good. Okay, we're all done. It's all hooked up. I don't know if you could see it, but it's 14.2. Everything's done.